thank you so much for coming today, and hope that you can slowly getting started with tonight with this party. We're gonna have more wild parties after this, so let's just please stay tuned. So I would like to take a few minutes to say thank you to our sponsors. Today we have two event sponsors from Pi Protocol and Sodatech. So we have Brian and Book here as well. So I would like to give the mic to them so that they could introduce a bit about what they're doing and why they want to treat you guys to this opulent and luxurious party.
So my name is Brian. I'm working for a project called Pi Protocol. And what it is it's an NFT lending platform currently running on Pete and Polygon. And yeah, I guess low-key, like, I didn't actually prepare anything for this speech, so I'm just gonna kind of wing it. And I'm not here to really show the project or anything like that. It's more or less like, it's just been a really cool experience starting here in Vietnam. So I'm based in Korea, right? And for me is like, I've been working in the crypto space for about 5 years. And you know, I'm always surrounded by like the Korean scene and things like that. And I think it's just really cool to kind of be able to be in this spot where like I can, you know, meet people from all over the world that are all building the same things that we are, that's sharing the same vision that I do. And yeah, and I guess on top of that, I guess I just really wanted to give a shout out to APEC now and Nicole. Like, I feel like every time I see Nicole, she looks more and more tired. But yeah, I mean, like, honestly, I know it's hard to get a lot of people out here like this into one spot and put together all these different events, find all these venues. And I think, you know, the whole APEC DAO team, Nicole and Round, yeah, just a big shout out. And especially since you guys made it a lot of fun. I think, yeah, all the events have been super fun. And it's just been really nice to get to know a lot of people here. And yeah, just excited. And I hope everyone enjoys the rest of their time here in Vietnam. And follow us on Twitter, Pi Protocol.
Again, let's shout out to Nicole and BUIDL Asia team that brought us together into this event. And I hope you guys have fun and also meet talented people and cool projects being built in the past few days. And that's what me and my team had witnessed to the event. And let me introduce a little bit about myself and my company. So I am Phúc from Sodatech. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Sodatech. So we are the Web3 solution provider in Vietnam with more than 1,000 people. So if you guys need help in terms of like ZKP developers, software engineers, like that, we have that can support you for the growth. And also we are building some projects ourselves, like Blocklands, which is a blockchain infrastructure tool that can provide you a webhook and API, and also SQL engine for like similar to doing analytics. So that's what we're building, and also we are very trying to push the communities and developers community and builder in Vietnam. So that's why we have a new initiative with few other key players here called ABC Station. So if you guys need any help in terms of building developer connection in Vietnam, then maybe we can talk after and during the party. So hopefully we can have a good party tonight and have fun, guys. Yeah.
Very well said, guys. In short, if you want to be eligible for next year's party, please come and see Brian and hook up to this, okay? Don't quote me on that. So thank you so much for coming here, guys. I know it's the end of BUIDL Vietnam, and again, I would like to thank everyone, especially the international delegates who are flying in, you know, just for the event. I hope you have enjoyed this event and also got to meet a lot of builders and a lot of your friends afterwards. I feel like we are like we are friends right now. Like there are so many people here that you can actually talk to and maybe potentially do business with. So I would love to invite you guys next year for BUIDL Vietnam 2024. And hopefully by that time we would have definitely much more cool parties and more cool people to hang out with. Again, thank you so much and enjoy the party, guys.